Hello, John Villamin.
Hello po.
Hello from Manila. And your dad, Ulysses.
Hello po, Mr. Yan. Kamusta po?
¿Cómo estáis? Obrigado. I don't know how to speak Portuguese. But anyway, so both of you are in Brazil. And si John, sa mga nakikita kong videos, ay isa sa mga player na talented sa tennis. At so I wanted to get to know you para makilala ka ng kababayan. Kasi ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, Dayan, nakita mo na tong player na to? Sabi ko, tingnan ko nga to, makausap ko. So I'm very happy na makakausap ko kayo ngayon mula sa Manila. At nasaan po kayo ngayon? Anong city sa Brazil? John?
Tayo sa Florianopolis po.
Okay, so malayo yan sa Sao Paulo?
Mga 1 hour by plane po.
1 hour by plane. Okay, so John, you are 13 years old, tama?
Yes.
Okay, and then pumunta ka sa Brazil at the age of, anong age po, Daddy Ulysses?
5 months po.
Oh, 5 months. Wow, you brought him there at 5 months. Okay. So ngayon, kasi you're working there, no, Mr. Villamin?
Opo.
Okay, ngayon, kailan mo siya inumpisa na mag-tennis? Ulysses?
Ako po?
Hindi siya. Kailan mo siya unang pinag-lesson or I guess sa Brazil na siya natuto mag-tennis kasi 5 months dinala mo na siya dyan.
He first picked up the tennis racket when he was around 4.5 years old po.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a good story nga po dun. If you don't mind, I want to share.
Yeah, please.
I used to play tennis po when I was young.
Mm-hmm.
But I never really forced him to play tennis like the other fathers that they already give the tennis racket to the babies so they will grow up to be a tennis player. But I never really forced him to play tennis. And until when he was 4 years old, we were in the mall and there was meron pong maliit na tennis court from the Gustavo Kuerten Tennis Academy para i-promote yung academy. And to entice kids to enroll to the academy. So meron silang maliit na tennis court doon. And he saw that and he wanted to play.
Mm-hmm.
But the coach said that they don't allow kids below 5 years old.
Mm-hmm.
So umiyak siya ng umiyak and it's about to go full-blown tantrum po sa mall. Sabi ko sa coach, payagan ng kahit sandali lang para hindi na mag-tantrum. Pinayagan naman ng coach.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the very first time that he held a tennis racket.
Mm-hmm.
Nung pumapalo siya ng bola with the coach, pumapalo siya, nakita ko, he's hitting the ball clean. Sobrang linis po, in the middle. That's the first time na pumalo siya ng bola. Sabi ko, ganda nung hand and eye coordination niya. And maski yung coach, nagulat. Nagulat yung coach kasi nagpapalitan sila ng bola ng coach eh. Hindi siya sumasablay, ang linis ng palo niya. Sabi ng coach, pwede na to, sige, i-enroll nyo na siya. But that time, they don't accept kids below 5 years old. He is the very first kid here in Florianopolis na natanggap sa Guga, Escola Guga, tawag nila po dito, na below 5-year-old po.
Nice. So, in-enroll mo siya doon after that? And then from there, nag-tennis na siya like a few times a week, ganon?
2 times a week? Yata po. 2 times a week po.
Oh, nice.
And then, unfortunately, the pandemic happened. So he was forced to stop when he was 6 years old for 2 years. So naputol po yung kanyang yung rhythm and then he came back po in 2021.
Oh, nice. So, pero John, hindi mo na naalala siyempre yung first time mo kasi bata ka pa na, no? Yeah, that's great. Congratulations. I see that you've been doing so well in so many tournaments, a regional tournament, kung saan nanood ang sikat na si Gustavo Ferten sa'yo, na tinalo mo yung kanyang pamangkin, right? Anong score nung tinalo mo yung pamangkin niya?
It was 6062.
6062. O, kaya pala, yung sigaw mo, nakita ko yung video mo, yung sigaw mo after you won, no?
Yes po.
So, ngayon, you've been playing tennis for 9 years na? 4 or mga 8 years?
Yeah.
Kasi 13 ka na, di ba? You're 13?
Yeah. Although he stopped po for 2 years.
Oh, yeah. So, mga ano lang, mga 6 years. So, anong gusto mo yung tennis, John? You like tennis?
Yes po. I love tennis.
Bakit mo nagustuhan yung tennis? Sino ba yung mga pinapanood mo? Meron ka bang pinapanood?
I like watching po. I watch Federer, then I wanted to copy his forehand.
Who's forehand? Kaninang forehand?
Si Federer po.
Okay, Federer. Pero your backhand is 100 too.
No, it's back 200 po.
Yeah, that's right. I saw your video. Pero parang yung maganda sa'yo, nakita ko yung footwork mo, yung agility mo. And parang very bouncy ka on the court. Right?
That's ano po yun, ma'am. That's a proof po ng kanyang hard work. Kasi last year, hindi po siya ganun kabilis. Hindi po siya naturally gifted sa movement po. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, if you really want to be a pro, you have to work hard on your footwork. And
Wow.
then, ayun nga po, talagang nagpursige siya na improve yung footwork niya. Kaya naging ganyan na
Nice. So, sino yung coach mo ngayon, John? Anong pangalan niya?
Si Marcel Carlson po.
Okay.
Former number 119 po.
Tapos, how many times a week do you play tennis? At ilang hours sa isang araw?
Isang araw, I train like 2.5 hours in the morning
Mm-hmm.
and 2.5 hours in the afternoon with a group of kids.
Wow, that's a lot. So you play you're about 5 hours on the tennis court.
Yes po.
Oh, so you really love tennis.
Yes po.
I mean, if you're on the court for 5 hours a day, right? Tapos, paano yung pag-aaral mo? Anong ginagawa mo para sa school mo?
After the afternoon training session, I will have the school at 5 or 6 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
until 7 or 8.
Okay, so pero you're homeschooled? You study by yourself or you have a homeschool teacher?
I have a teacher po.
Sa bahay. Okay. So bakit ka
online
homeschool?
po.
Ha?
Online po.
Oh, online. Okay. So bakit nag-homeschool ka? Is that because you want to take your tennis seriously? Ganun ba?
To have more time on the tennis court po.
Oh, okay. So what is your goal as a tennis player?
One of my goals is to play for my country and to be the number 1 in the world.
Oh, I've heard that before. One other player said that to me before, Alex Ayala, when she was young. So, Pinoy ka, no? So, you're Filipino,
Yes
no?
po.
Ulysses. And then, so, hanggang ngayon, Filipino ka pa rin. You didn't, you didn't switch nationality or have a Brazilian passport.
Not yet pa po.
Okay. So, you want to play for the Philippines?
Yes po.
Ay nako,
Okay.
ano po yan, nangangarap maglaro sa Davis Cup for the Philippines.
Talaga? Paano mo naisip yon? Sino yung mga napanood mo na naglaro ng Davis Cup?
Nakita niya po kasi yung mga Brazilian na kasing edad niya na naglalaro for Brazil, under the flag of Brazil. Sabi niya, gusto ko rin maglaro ganyan sa under the Philippine flag.
Oh, that's nice. So, isa ngayon, yung mga player ngayon, meron kang favorite, John?
In the pro po,
Oo, pro.
I like the big three po.
The big,
Federer, Nadal, and Djokovic.
okay. What about Fonseca?
I like his forehand. His forehand is a bomb.
Okay. What's your best shot? Ikaw, anong best shot mo?
I think it's the forehand approach.
Forehand approach. Okay. So, kung tatanungin kita, what do you think ang pinaka strength mo? Ano yung malakas sa game mo? What do you think? At this stage, you're still young, age 13.
I think it's the footwork, the volleys, and the forehand.
That's nice. So, Daddy Ulysses, ano yung, ano, I heard that you were planning to come to the Philippines to play a tournament. So, ano po yung nangyari? Ha?
We were supposed to fly for Gentry Juniors po this last Sunday, and unfortunately we were denied to board the plane because we don't have the yellow fever vaccine po. To our surprise, because for the longest time hindi po kami hinanapan ng yellow fever vaccine. Kaya nga po until today wala akong vaccine kasi even if I go back to the Philippines, they never really ask for a vaccine.
Oh my gosh.
Walang
So,
nagbago na pala yung policy nila.
sayang. So, madidelay yung paglaro mo dito. But you're planning to come back this year sometime to place in an age group tournament?
Yes po. We're planning to go on November to play the PCA.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. That's good news. So, I'm sure, yeah, everybody's really excited about tennis now. Ngayon, para sa'yo, ano yung, are you willing to, you're gonna stay in Brazil, Ulysses? Or ano ba yung plano nyo for your son? What would you like to happen?
Kung ako lang po masusunod, gusto ko na pong umuwi sa Pinas, kaya lang siya gusto talaga niyang maging pro. Ano po siya eh. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, he's obsessed po to be the greatest. Kaya medyo maganda naman yung tennis program dito. So, nandito po kami. Kaya lang, as you know po ma'am, tennis is a brutal sport and it's an expensive sport. So, ayun, sana meron kaming makitang mga tutulong along the way para makatulong sa kanyang journey na ma-achieve niya yung dream niya na maging professional player po.
Yeah. May I ask, ano po yung trabaho nyo dyan, Ulysses?
I have some mga properties na apartment for rent po.
Okay. And then only child si John, no?
Opo.
Yeah. And then you were telling me kanina before we got before we went online na nag-contact ka sa academy sa Spain. Can you make kwento about that?
Opo. Although if you don't mind, I don't want to give yung mga
Details.
pangalan ng academy details po. Kasi hindi pa naman po, although the offer is official po yung offer nila na is a prominent tennis academy from Spain. They are offering him a partial scholarship po just by seeing his videos on Instagram. And they want to see John in person po, to train there to try out for 1 or 2 weeks po sa Spain. So they can probably give more discount.
Oh, nice.
But meron na po talaga siyang standing offer po sa kanila.
That's nice. The CEO of the academy sa Spain.
Opo.
Okay. So, willing ka ba magpunta sa Spain, John?
Yes po.
Naka-smile. That's good. Okay. So,
Ano po
pero,
yan?
ha?
Kahit ano pong sabihin niya, kahit sabihin niyo na ano, basta kung makakatulong sa kanya, gagawin niya po yun. Ganyan po siya ka-driven po.
Super determinado. Pero if ever na lilipat kayo sa Spain, kayo, may iwan kayo dyan. Or you're gonna move to Spain na rin.
No, I prefer ano lang po siya doon solo because I
Solo.
want him to mature and learn how to live by himself po.
Wow! Kaya mo kaya dyan?
Yes.
Oh, yes, with a full yes and a full smile. Okay, that's good to know. And then, I'm curious kasi syempre si Gustavo Curtin, sikat na player yan. And, he was super excellent during his time. Ano yung mga nasabi niya sa'yo, John, about your game? Syempre, tinalo mo yung pamangkin niya.
I said that I have a padrão de profissional. I don't know the word in English, but it's
What is
like
it? What is it?
I play like a pro daw.
In what way?
In Portuguese po, he said, John tem padrão professional.
Uh-huh.
In English, is roughly translated as John has a profile of a pro. Or like, he has what it takes to be a pro.